Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to file a BBB complaint. First, it's crucial to identify the specific business you're complaining about and gather all your supporting documents. Before reaching out to the Better Business Bureau, always try to resolve the issue directly with the company. This initial step can often lead to a quicker resolution without needing third-party intervention. Understanding what types of issues the BBB addresses will also help streamline your process. When preparing your complaint, thoroughness is key. Make sure to collect all relevant names, dates, and specific details of every interaction you've had with the business. This includes copies of receipts, contracts, emails, and any other communication records. Clearly stating your desired resolution, such as a refund or repair, helps the BBB understand your objective and facilitates a more effective mediation process. To submit your complaint, navigate to the official Better Business Bureau website. Look for the File a Complaint section, which is usually prominently displayed. You'll then be guided through a series of prompts to input your information and the details of your issue. It's vital to provide accurate contact information for both yourself and the business to ensure proper communication throughout the entire complaint resolution process. After you've submitted your complaint, the Better Business Bureau will typically forward it to the business within 2 business days. The business then has a period of 14 calendar days to respond to your complaint and propose a resolution. You will be kept informed throughout this process, receiving notifications about the business's response and any potential outcomes. This ensures transparency and keeps you updated on your complaint's progress.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.